Have you ever seen the frustrating "the site can't be reached" error? Whether on Windows, Android, or iPhone, this video will walk you through the common causes and easy fixes to get you back online. Let's dive in and solve this issue for good. Before we fix it, let's understand why this error happens. The first reason is network issues. Your internet connection might be unstable or disconnected. The second one is DNS problems. Your device can't translate the website's name into an IP address. Then, firewall or security settings. Overly strict settings can block access. It helps block some unsafe websites, and you can create a rule for some websites to allow access. Finally, website issues could cause this error. The site might be down or experiencing server problems. Now, let's show you solutions on different devices to fix this error. Let's go. Windows users, please follow these steps. The first solution is to disable IPv6. Go to Control Panel and click Network and Internet. Head to the network, click on the adapter option in Properties. And check Internet Protocol version 6 and click OK. The second solution is to reset network. Open Settings and launch Network and Internet. Head to Status. Scroll down and click Network Reset. Finally, restart your computer and reconnect to the internet. After doing that, refresh the website. Look, it is back to normal. The next is for you, Android users. The first way is to change DNS in Chrome. Open Chrome and tap on the menu button on the top right corner to head to Settings. Find the Privacy and Security option. Tap Use Secure DNS and choose another provider like OpenDNS. The second way is to reset network settings. Go to Settings to search Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Network Settings and confirm. Then, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Finally, iPhone users, here are your solutions. Number 1 is check content restrictions. Go to Settings and Screen Time. Find Content and Privacy Restrictions option. Tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Next, access web content and ensure it's set to unrestricted. Number 2 is clear Safari website data. Go to Settings and find Apps. Tap on Safari and go to Advanced. Access website data. Tap Remove all website data and confirm. If the error persists, a VPN can help. A VPN bypasses network restrictions and connects you to a different server, often resolving the issue. So UFO VPN is a good choice for you. Download and install UFO VPN on your device. Then, launch UFO VPN and select a server as you need. Tap on the Connection button and allow to create VPN connection. After doing that, you can enjoy your browsing freely. That's all tips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe, and see you next time.